Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys are reading the title. We're going to be analyzing Stellar Lumens, see what is happening with the price of Stellar, and of course what we could be expecting. So I'm sure if you watch the channel on a regular day-to-day basis, and if you watch more than the XLM updates, you guys are kind of up to date as to what has happened for the markets today. And as we are closing out Tuesday, the market is turning slowly but surely back into the green, but majority of the market as far as recording this update right now is still down right now. But looking at XLM, one of the very few coins that's still up right now, but 4.2% tells you everything you need to know in terms of its momentum right now. Looking at it on the weekly time frame, I know a lot of people tend to forget this, especially the last 2 weeks. It's up 144% despite having a little bit of a minor pullback. But let's take a closer look at it, see what is happening. Before I do that, though, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So XLM is currently sitting at 23.6 cents, up 4% in USD and Bitcoin comparative. Market cap holding above $7 billion, which is really nice to see. And the 24-hour trading volume is still above $1 billion. And again, that is really nice to see as well. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening right now for the price. So I'm sure, like I said earlier, if you do watch some of my other updates, you guys know that the dominance has gone up quite substantially over the course of the last 24 hours. 1% to be exact. And remember, a 1% move for the dominance, especially towards the upside, is quite a large move. And that can have an impact on the altcoin market. And that's exactly what we're looking at right now on the daily time frame. So that gives us that confirmation that, hold on, things are adding up. So the dominance went up, so did Bitcoin. Also saw a new all-time high, which I've discussed in some other updates. But Bitcoin, after hitting an all-time high, made its way down to $91,000, which in return caused the dominance to go up even higher. And again, that is going to have an impact on the altcoin market, and that's exactly what we're looking at. But XLM is holding really good, to be quite frank with you. XLM is one of the very few coins that's holding really strong, even though dominance has gone up. And that tells you everything you need to know in terms of its momentum as far as the price is concerned. So right now, let's just quickly finish off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been doing exactly as I've stated in my other updates. As of now, nothing for Bitcoin has changed for myself. Bitcoin is looking amazing. Bitcoin's doing exactly what you want Bitcoin to be doing. But you want to see, obviously, Bitcoin breaking towards a new all-time high, which I think will actually happen even tomorrow. Would not be coming as a surprise to me, because look what happened yesterday. Bitcoin was sitting at the likes of $90,000, and this morning we came up to $93,900. So it tells you everything you need to know in terms of how fast things can really move. So these shakeouts going to happen. Futures platform exists for a reason, and futures platform is highly manipulated, and this is why I'm totally against it, because I have learned it the hard way. I've been in this space, like I said, for 8 years. I've pretty much gone through every single thing that you guys are probably going to hear. And one thing I'm going to tell you guys, and I've said this literally from the beginning of my channel's existence, which is almost over 5 years now. It's just crazy to think about. But I have been extremely against leverage trading. You will get wiped out. Don't fall for these bonuses. And I'm not going to put any exchanges' names out there. But, I've been offered big money to promote those, leverage platforms. But absolutely not. If it was for money, wouldn't I be doing that? No. I love each and every one of you guys. I want you guys to do the absolute best. And I would not want anyone to be promoting leverage trading to me because, how I've had the experience doing, like I said, 99.9% of the time you get wiped out, and you don't want to be doing that. Anyhow, long rant. Let's take a look at what's happening with XLM. XLM is on the verge of breaking towards the upside. Yes, you've heard that correct. I know a lot of people are already losing their patience, and I've been reading the comments. I've been reading the comments specifically on the XRP updates. People are forgetting the fact that you're looking at XRP, one of the largest coins in the crypto markets, up above $1. And people used to dream of that. If you went back 3 weeks ago and asked people that were holding XRP, would you like the price of XRP to go to $1? They would have said, we would do anything for the price of XRP to go to $1. And it's there, and now you're seeing people saying, why is it not going higher? Oh. Trust me, it just leaves me speechless when I see these types of comments. But anyhow, if you're looking at XLM, like I said earlier, despite dominance increase, we're looking at Stellar Lumens still holding really strong. And when I pull out the hourly time frame, you will see everything you need to see. Look at how many times we have tried to retest this key resistance. We actually haven't retested it since yesterday, but what a beautiful pattern playing out. We saw something similar happen here Of course, after hitting that wick all the way to that key resistance, we saw a wick all the way down. Of course, initial profit takers, and then boom, popped out. And even though Bitcoin has seen a little bit of volatility over the course of the last few hours, they're still seeing XLM trading sideways, and it's holding really, really good. Once you see that breakout above this key resistance, maybe at the time of watching this video, you guys already see that breakout. Once you see that, I really think this can bring in a lot of excitement, and we can start retesting some levels that we haven't seen, such as 30 cents. And I think 30 cents comes quite fast for XLM if we're able to clear out of this key resistance. So far, so good in terms of the way the price is currently holding. No weakness that I'm noticing right now. I think more upside rather than downside, unless of course Bitcoin sees a complete shakeout. Obviously, that is going to invalidate everything. But as of now, I'm projecting we do see a breakout. And now, again, pretty much fourth day in a row, you're starting to realize the importance of this key resistance that I've been emphasizing for years. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.